It's been shown in psychological studies that the way we see ourselves determines the way that we see and treat other people. People who hate others hate themselves. The bullies, the thieves, the murderers of the world, it's been shown that they have some level of self-loathing. And that's where that outward hatred is coming from. That externalized violence or hatred for other people. It comes from their own view of themselves. And equally, someone who has a healthy self-esteem, someone who sees themselves as basically good and they like themselves, they trust others easily, they empathize with others easily, and they cooperate with others easily. Those with low self-esteem, on the other hand, are quick to be fearful or envious or hateful or mistrustful of other people. And this is because our basic view of other people comes from our basic view of ourselves. We see others, we see humanity in the same way that we see ourselves, as basically good or bad. So when you hear someone say that humanity is a plague on the planet, or that you can't really trust anyone, or that life has no meaning, or that you can't know anything, just know that what they're really talking about is themselves. They're just projecting their view of themselves, their self-loathing, onto others. So the takeaway from this is that, in a way, you create your own worldview. If you see yourself as basically rotten, that's what you're going to be yourself. And if you see other people as basically rotten, that's how you're going to treat them. And you're going to attract people who are rotten and repel people who are good. But if you treat people as basically good, you're going to be attracting people who are basically good. You'll cultivate those kinds of people in your life. It's a self-fulfilling effect. Try it out.